Hi, my name is Matt, and welcome to another episode of NC Star Tech TV. Today we're going to be going over our new product, our KPM Side bipod. We'll go ahead and take a look at this. Let's look into it. So here we have our KPM Side bipod. What makes this different than a lot of other bipods? Several features. One, it does not have a centerpiece connecting them. These are going to mount to the sides of your handguard instead of onto one central base. Also, these nuts here fit both M-lock and key mod slots. So you do not need to switch anything out. They'll drop right in either way. Then we have the single screw here on the side. That will release this panel so that you can also drop this directly onto Picatinny as well. The feet, we have our other KPM bipod that also has these. So you have a rubber foot. This works nice for concrete wooden table. If you're going to be in some type of dirt or something similar, we also have the spiked feet that you can pop out, and also has the notch locking legs. Okay, so to mount this, I got a key mod handguard here. It's going to cover up a total of 3 slots on the side. Well, that drops in right there. Yeah, I'm just going to line these up. There we go. There you go. Leaves the bottom open for accessories down there. Like I said, one bipod will take care of your key mod, M-lock, and Picatinny, all 3 platforms, so you don't have to have multiple bipods to go on different firearms. So if you got, different rifles that have different handguards on it, this will take care of all of them. So that's an overview of our KPM Side bipod. Again, works on key mod, M-lock, and Picatinny rails. If you have any other questions regarding this product or any of our other products, feel free to give us a call here at NC Star Tech Support. Make sure you check us out on social media. NC Star Optics is our handle on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you.